Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Herman Motorsports. Today we're going to do something a little bit different on the channel. Behind me is my 2006 Lamborghini Murcielago that's recently been converted by EAG out in Texas to a gated manual transmission. I always do this when I say gated manual transmission, but that's the fun part of it. So what I want to do in this video is I want to take you guys for a ride with me. We're going to do it a little bit more of a POV style. I'm actually going to put a camera in the back window showing down on the steering wheel and the shifter, and we're going to go for a ride, and I'm going to let you guys experience the sounds and what it's like to drive a gated Murcielago. So let's go. Let's jump in the car. Let's not waste any more time. We're burning daylight. Let's hit it and let's go for a ride. The entire experience is now different. No more flappy paddles. It's all right here. I truly understand why now people say that the Murcielago is one of the best manual cars to drive. Your car to rear-wheel drive. Without a doubt, convert your car to rear-wheel drive. Between the manual conversion and a rear-wheel drive conversion, whew, money well spent. Money well spent. All seriousness, guys, I just want to let you know, I've driven a lot of cars. I've been very fortunate to have have a lot of cars, and this is just on a different level now. I'm so happy I went with EAG. I'm so happy that I sent this car out and had it converted. And I'm happy to be the guinea pig. You guys may not realize that, but I'm one of the first early adopters of this. So as I promised, I'm going to share the good, the bad, the ugly, whatever it is. 300 miles so far, not a light on the dash, and the car's doing well. So if for any reason it doesn't, I'll let you know. If I have one critique about the entire thing, it's about how the transmission itself is a little grumpy when it's cold. I've been driving this car for a half hour now, 40 minutes. Dude, it's like butter. It just goes through the gears so easily. I know I'm coming across giddy on camera, but it's because I truly am. I'm having that good of a time driving this. It changes the whole experience of the car. The E-gear was good. It wasn't bad like a lot of guys say, but it'll leave you stranded. There's no doubt about it. Owning a Murcielago, you're going to end up on the back of a trailer, and more than likely, it will be from an E-gear problem. Get a manual conversion. In full disclosure, I have not driven an OEM manual Murcielago. I've driven gated cars, I've driven R8s, I've driven Ferraris, but I've not had the pleasure of driving an OEM manual Murcielago. If anybody out there wants to do a video, we'll get our cars together and let's do it. Man, she just breaks the tires loose. Rear-wheel drive is sick. Ugh. If you guys are on the fence, if you guys are considering doing a manual transmission swap in your car, or conversion, it's not even a swap. If you're considering doing the manual conversion in your car, I tell you from the bottom of my heart, pick up the phone, call EAG, talk to Art directly. He'll answer any questions you have. Reach out to me. Me and you will have a conversation if you want to hear from an owner. And if you're local in the Delaware area, come see my car, because this thing is just ridiculous. I don't regret it at all. I'm approaching 330 miles since the conversion, and I mean, I just filled the tank. I had to go through a tank of fuel already, and it's just so much fun. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? I love Murcielagos, and I love a manual transmission. So let me know down in the comments below, did you guys enjoy this POV style? We got a bunch of cool cars. I think we could do this more often and maybe make some cool content for you guys. I wish you were all here and could actually drive my cars and experience them, but unfortunately, I can't just give you the keys through the internet. Otherwise, I would. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. We're going to be doing a bunch more cool stuff like this. Let me know if you want to see more POV style stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.